Welcome to this assignment discussion session. Today, we will explore how to develop an effective social media policy that strengthens a business's online presence. Learning outcome. By the end of this session, you will be able to identify the key elements of a strong social media policy and explain how it can support and protect your business while helping you achieve your business goals. Let's begin and discover how to harness the power of social media strategically and professionally. Social media has revolutionized business promotion. Platforms like Facebook and Instagram offer targeted advertising. Businesses can engage directly with customers. Recent developments include live streaming and stories. These tools create dynamic ways to interact with audiences. Selecting the right social media channels is crucial. Consider your target audience's preferences. Platforms like LinkedIn suit professional networking. Instagram is ideal for visual content. Align channel choice with business goals. Your company website and social media should complement each other. Ensure consistent branding across platforms. Social media can drive traffic to your website. Embed social links on your site for easy access. This integration enhances user experience. Engagement on social media comes with risks. Negative comments can affect reputation. Privacy concerns are paramount. Monitor interactions regularly. Develop a crisis management plan. Regular posts keep your audience engaged. Plan content around themes or events. Use a mix of media types like videos and images. Consistency in posting builds trust. Analyze engagement to refine your strategy. Creating an online community fosters loyalty. Encourage user-generated content. Host interactive sessions like Q&A. Respond to comments and messages promptly. Make users feel valued and heard. A clear social media policy sets guidelines. Define acceptable behavior and content. Address privacy and security measures. Outline procedures for handling issues. Ensure all employees understand the policy. Social media should align with business objectives. Identify key metrics to track success. Set achievable goals for growth and engagement. Allocate resources effectively. Regularly review and adjust the plan. Reflective accounts help improve strategies. Analyze what worked and what didn't. Seek feedback from stakeholders. Document lessons learned for future use. Continuous improvement is key. Ensure your policy is well documented. Follow the specified word count. Use Harvard referencing for sources. Submit in the required format. Adhere to all submission deadlines. Originality in your work is crucial. Understand the penalties for plagiarism. Use proper citations for all sources. Plagiarism checks ensure academic honesty. Maintain a similarity index below 20%. Present your document professionally. Use clear headings and subheadings. Follow the word limit strictly. Ensure readability with proper formatting. A well-structured document makes a strong impression. Utilize ebooks and journals for research. Access resources through the Moodle platform. Stay updated with the latest industry trends. Email queries to the provided contact. Use all available resources effectively. As a media executive, you shape online presence. Your input is vital for policy updates. Collaborate with your team effectively. Your role bridges strategy and execution. Embrace the responsibility with creativity. Submit assignments with a declaration of authenticity. Understand the importance of original work. Sign the declaration form as required. Authenticity builds trust in your capabilities. Uphold integrity in all submissions. Learning never stops in digital marketing. Stay curious about new tools and trends. Engage with professional communities online. Continuous learning enhances your skills. Be proactive in seeking knowledge. Review your assignment thoroughly before submission. Ensure all criteria are met. Check for grammatical errors and clarity. A polished assignment reflects professionalism. Submit confidently once satisfied. In conclusion, you've gained the tools to create a clear and effective social media policy, one that protects your business while positioning it to thrive online. Now, it's time to put these strategies into action and confidently elevate your brand. If you have questions, message us on WhatsApp at 074-843-61688. See you at the next session. Thank you for your attention.